really hurting anybody, but like his animations and he's taking his shirt off again. Yeah, get him out of here.
I just didn't like the way you were walking up on it, that's all.
On the 22nd of January 2026, officers at a country music venue removed a patron described by their own colleague as not really hurting anybody. This analysis examines 4 legal issues: the private venue's ejection authority under common law, the arrest basis once the patron failed to leave, the First Amendment claim in a private venue, context, and the officer's documented dismissal of a specific, repeated handcuff, tightness complaint.
He's right in front of the stage down there. He's not really hurting anybody, but like his animations and he's taking his shirt off again. Yeah, get him out of here. Sorry, man. It's a bad
Might not be your favorite, might not be the best, but it's perfect, and I'll tell you why. Because this next verse really ties the room together. It's all about mama, and trains, and trucks, and prison, and most importantly, like every good country song, it's about getting drunk. It goes like this. Let's go. English. But I was drunk the day my mama out of prison. And I went to pick her up. Alright? But before I could get to the station in my pickup truck, I ran over by that North Strait. Someone hang around as long as you will let me. I'm sorry. But you don't have to call me darling.
Relax.
You never call me.
You're not supposed to go, right? You're not supposed to go. So you get more rush. Thanks, gents.
Good, you walk? Oh, man. Everything right up there. The handcuffs on me?
Huh?
You please take the handcuffs on me.
No.
No,
You got anything on you?
Negative.
Nothing that's gonna stick me?
No, sir.
No? Okay.
Negative at all.
Huh? Yeah.
I'm not the type of individual. That's
Why
why I asked
man?
you
He
to
told
like,
you to leave.
because they're fucking like arrogant ass motherfuckers right there.
I told you to leave. He told you to leave.
You did?
Yeah.
Yeah, you turned around and then you started walking towards it when I was walking in.
Oh, honestly. I did not know that was a cop, man.
Oh, he has a whole uniform, so.
Oh, well, hell, let me be honest with you. That was negative on that part. You can check me all the way you want to, sir. I don't know. I'm not a rude individual. Especially when it comes to cops.
I don't know, you look like you were arguing with my partner, so.
No, sir.
No, it definitely looked like it, the way you were taking steps towards him and so.
Well, pardon me. Excuse me for my attitude. I don't mean to be that way. I'm an arrogant.
I just didn't like the way you were walking up on it, that's all.
Pardon me. You're arrogant. I tell you, what the fuck? You the boys.
I'm trying to make it sound like I got punked.
You get punked, bro.
That's how you're trying to
Who
say.
is a punk? I ain't
No,
gonna
I said he didn't get punked.
Yeah, I ain't gonna fucking punk.
I'm not talking to you, bro.
Excuse me. I'd rather go to jail being a punk. Man, you can search me all you want to. I'm just on the right side, the middle if you want to find it.
What do you got over here?
Negative. Nothing.
Nothing?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Hey, look, I'm Mississippi boy. Hey, look, I carry myself a certain way.
I know, I hear you, brother. I hear you. Sorry.
Yeah, I ain't gonna put up a little fucking fuck shit. You know what I'm saying? You just touch me all you fucking want.
When they tell you gotta go, though.
Yeah, fuck them boys.
That's the problem.
I ain't no faggot.
All right, well.
Please take them handcuffs on my...
All right, brother. No, I can't.
Yeah, please.
No, you're going to jail, man.
Thank you.
No, these are staying on.
Are they?
Yep.
Oh, for Christ's sake, man. Don't fight them up, man.
All right, brother. Yeah, come over here.
Yes, sir.
You're going in the back, right here.
Right.
Can you stand? Here.
Stand.
Here, step back.
I got it.
All right. Hop in. All right. Just relax.
Yes, sir.
9-8, one in custody, male.
Why you tighten that shit on my fucking wrist, man?
What's up?
Y'all tighten that shit on my wrist, man.
That's what happens when you go into cuffs.
Fucking sleeping or what? I'm doing another one in gym. I was just trying to, I was just talking to the 305 370 2228. I was just talking to the fire chief today. I'm like, I'm doing another one. Well, hey guys, thanks for the
Yeah, if you need anything else, reach out. Is that his?
Of course.
Yes.
Yeah.
All his stuff.
Did you run him on too?
Yep, he's in the car.
I got it.
All right,
let me see. I'm gonna put it in the bag. You said you ran him on too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's still on. Hold on.
A private concert venue's ejection authority is a common law property right. Adderley versus Florida. 385 U. S. 39 confirms there is no constitutional right to remain on private property against the owner's will. The venue requires no finding of harm and no disorderly conduct charge. The officer's own observation that the patron was not really hurting anybody is factually accurate and legally irrelevant to the ejection decision. The arrest predicate rests on non-compliance with a lawful directive, not on the original animated behavior. The patron acknowledged receiving the direction to leave. When he then moved toward the stage or toward the officer, the encounter escalated. Under Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 1. Reasonable articulable suspicion is established by acknowledged non-compliance with a directive to vacate private premises. combined with physical movement back toward the officer. The central factual dispute is directional. The officer says the patron walked toward him. The patron says the officer walked toward him. Each version produces a different legal outcome. Officers secured venue surveillance footage, the only objective evidence capable of resolving who approached whom. The strength of the obstruction charge, and any civil claim arising from it, turns entirely on what that video shows. The patron's "I'm an American" framing invoked the First Amendment. The First Amendment, however, constrains government, not private property owners. Hurley versus Irish American Gay Group, 515 U.S. 557, confirms private entities bear no First Amendment obligations. At a private concert venue, animated dancing and shirt removal have no constitutional shield from the venue's ejection authority, regardless of their expressive character. When a detainee clearly communicates handcuff tightness, Walton versus City of Southfield, 995, F. 2, D. 1331, mandates that the officer physically inspect the fit and adjust if necessary. The response, "That's what happens when you go in the cuffs," dismissed a specific, repeated pain complaint without inspection. This exchange is permanently documented on Bodycam and creates civil liability exposure whether or not the underlying arrest charge survives. All force is evaluated under Graham versus Connor, 490 U.S. 386. No significant force was documented in the visible footage. The handcuff tightness complaint, however, implicates Graham's analysis. Handcuffs applied within normal parameters are permissible. Handcuffs so tight they cause documented pain left unchecked after a clear complaint can constitute an independent Fourth Amendment violation regardless of how the underlying arrest resolves. Case disposition is unknown. The officer receives a B patient and professional, grade reduced, for dismissing the handcuff complaint without physical inspection. The patron receives a C cooperative after arrest and apologetic, grade reduced, for non-compliance with the acknowledged directive to leave. The venue receives a B+, appropriate ejection decision, surveillance footage preserved and handed to officers. 3 takeaways. First, private venue ejection is a property right, not really. Hurting anybody is legally irrelevant. Second, when a detainee communicates handcuff pain, physical inspection is mandatory. That's what happens, is not a protocol response. Third, in any dispute about who approached whom, venue, surveillance footage is the decisive evidence. Officers who secure it immediately protect both the charge and themselves from civil challenge. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.